Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can make a GIF files on your Android device. So in the first step we have to download this app and open it. Now just choose one of these options. I will choose that one. Then you have to choose the video that you want to make a GIF. If you're ready, click here. How you can see, now we have a GIF file from my video, from my gallery. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.